Hey guys, so this box that I have beside me is actually a new shipment of Cindy's Closet dresses. So I wanted to hop on really quick and do a live video with you guys as I open them and unpack them, because I wanted to show you guys just how fantastic this company is and how awesome these dresses are. So the first one here is kind of a burgundy shade, it looks like. It is a size, so they run more true to size, so their size is a 16, but we would probably tag this as an 18 or a 20, just because their sizes are far more true to size than any other formal you're gonna use. So this first one here has some nice silver beading on the bodice there. It's just a really nice red chiffon, and then there's the back of it. Alright, the next one here this one is the same in royal blue. Actually, it's not, just kidding. It has tons of beading, but it's the same shape and fit. So it's got that chiffon skirt, and then the bodice has that illusion neckline. Tons of really pretty beading on this. This looks fantastic. And then there's the back of it. Alright, the next one is another royal blue. It comes with a shawl. Alright, this one is royal blue tulle on the skirt, and then it has a beaded waistline, and then the bodice here is a black lace. Here's the back of it, and it does have a little cutout on the back there, so that's super cute. And like I said, it does come with a little shawl. This one is a size 16, but like I said, we're gonna probably size this as like a 20. Alright, this next one here is a nice pretty red again. It's more of that burgundy red. It's a chiffon skirt, but then look at this bodice. It has these little sequins all over it, and it's a really cool design. Super pretty. It does have this illusion neckline, and then here's the back of it. It's a really nice simple chiffon. I'll leave that right here for now. And then one more. This is actually, it looks like one that we reordered, that we'd already sold, that we ordered before. But once again, in case if you haven't seen it yet, it is this navy chiffon, and it has the same as the burgundy that we bought, is this neckline with the beading here. And this one is an 18, so this is going to be more like a 22 as far as formals running small. Okay, so one more time, here's the navy one, and then the red one with all the sequins, and then the tulle blue. This one's super cute. I really like this one with the lace on top, and then the chiffon blue with all the beading, and then the last one was this burgundy that looks like the navy one. So guys, come see us if you still have not gotten your formal dress yet. Be sure to check us out, because we love to order dresses for you guys that are 14 and up. So we want you guys to come see these, come check these out. They're so amazing. They're greatly made, and they're just super, super cute. And definitely come see us. And if you don't see your size here, if we don't have it in stock, we can order, and it takes about a week to come in. So definitely ask us about that. And then as far as pricing goes, if you are interested in any of these dresses, please private message us, and we'd be happy to send you the message with a price on it. So thank you guys for tuning in and watching our my little unpacking of the Cindy's Closet dresses. I was just super excited. I wanted to show you guys. So thank you guys. Bye.